Hey guys, how's it going? My name is John. I live in San Francisco, originally from Hawaii. I work at Dropbox. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making seared salmon with Okinawan mashed potato, Hawaiian pineapple and mango salsa with the yuzu butter sauce. The flavor of the Okinawan mashed potato meshed with the fatty salmon with the shichimi spices on there. It makes a really great combination for a dish. I grew up with a lot of cousins, so we gravitated around food and cooking, and those are the things I love to do now. As a chef, I get to share that with my family, my friends, which I love a lot. This salmon right here I'll be seasoning with the Japanese 7 spice. 7 spice consists of ginger, peppers, citrus, black sesame seed, and a lot of other flavors. So it's mixed with salt and pepper, so you'd want to season on both sides. We're about to sear the fish, so make sure your pan is extremely hot. And then when you know it's hot, it's kind of smoking, put a little bit of oil on there. Just enough to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. You'll notice it kind of smoking a little bit. That's when you want to sear it with the presentation side down first. Give it a nice sear. Carefully drop the fish in there. You'll see it sizzle a little bit. Smell that aroma. Let it sit on there for a while. Kind of watch it because it will burn if you don't watch it. Make sure the oil is distributed evenly on the pan. Once you kind of see the fish on the bottom, you'll see it like turn like the light orange. That's when you know it's seared, so you want to flip it over. Put this mixture, that's the soy sugar midden right onto the fish. You're going to hear it sizzle. You're going to see it caramelize. All the flavors are being absorbed with that fish. And then once the liquid is absorbed, you want to go ahead and flip it over. Just like this. So it's slightly caramelized with that soy on there. Very nice color. And then, yeah, we're ready to plate. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed my cooking and my dish. This was Touched Up at Home. If you have any comments, feel free to leave me some. But other than that, aloha.